All right, fellas, we're back at the family farm and we just finished up bean harvest, and today we are officially starting corn harvest 2025. Here we go. Guys, so today we just finished up with bean harvest for 2025. The plan was not to do any corn today, but my grandma wanted my uncle to do some corn, so we switched the heads over on the combine and made some adjustments to the combine so it's ready for corn. And we actually ended up doing a little bit of my grandma's corn today. We just did the headlands for field, the front and back headlands, just to see where the moisture's at on the corn. We're guessing that the corn's a little wet. It's got a little bit too much moisture in it for us to continue harvesting it. But my dad is actually taking a load into the elevator right now to see where the moisture level is on the corn. And depending on the moisture, it's going to depend on when we start harvesting the corn. So hopefully the moisture isn't too bad so we can get going on it soon. And if not, then we'll just have to wait a little bit longer. So we'll see what happens. But my uncle sure is glad to be done harvesting beans, and it's nice to finally start corn harvest for 2025.